Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the Spotify empty playlist problem. So first thing you're going to need to do is go ahead and go to your Spotify application and then go to your profile and then just go to settings. From here, tap on storage and then just clear cache. Tap on clear cache. Then after that, just restart your application and then go to your Safari or Google and then search for Spotify.com. Just open your account here and then go to settings. Tap on view account. And then scroll a bit and tap on recover playlists. Then just restart here like that. And then once done, go back. And then scroll down. And you will see the sign out everywhere. Then just go ahead and confirm the sign out everywhere. Then after that, once the sign out is confirmed, go back to your Spotify application and then log back in. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.